All right, for the 4th of July, we're getting ready for the parade. Miss Michelle is ready. She's got her float together. You ready to mix up some flavor today for the people of Temple Terrace?
MC Ice.
Have a great day.
So this is our there comes Francis. Finally.
Gotta load out. Gotta load out. Give me like Hi guys. Thanks for your support.
Sorry, guys.
See what's on.
Hey everybody, it's Charles.
And I'm Ethan.
And we're with MC Ice. And we're here in Temple Terrace at the Temple Terrace Golf and Country Club for their 4th of July celebration. It's going to be a party. People are starting to arrive right now. But the family's here with us. Say hey, family. We got Michelle, she's the M of MC Ice. Of course, I'm Charles, I'm the C. We got Ethan, Aiden, Evan, and Victoria. So come on down, get some ice.
We're gonna be here from 6 to 9. Be sure to come out.
All right, see you then. We're just chilling here on the 4th of July with my son. We're gonna mix up some flavor for the city of Temple Terrace. That's what's up. It's now getting busy. Things are getting hectic. You got a heck of a line now. Everybody's, yeah. Well, we're serving them up. Mixing up some flavor. We've had a long day of Italian ice serving. We're chilling. Fireworks are now popping in the sky. It's been a great night. So guys, how did you enjoy our customers?
It was amazing. We had a great time.